Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with another delicious and traditional recipe. It's Kerala fish curry. There are many varieties in Kerala fish curry. This is one of them. This type of fish curry is prepared in southern Kerala. It's little spicy curry along with the Kudampuli flavor. Without any delay, let's see how it's prepared. You need 1.5 handful of shallots, that's approximately 15, chopped finely. As I wanted more quantity of the curry, so I have added 15 shallots. You can reduce it to 8 to 10 shallots. Then you need 2 tomatoes chopped. And then you need chili powder, 2.5 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of roasted fenugreek powder. Then you need 2 Kudampuli, that's Garcinia cambogia, I think I'm pronouncing it right. You need to wash it 3-4 times as it may have some dust particles, and then you need to soak it in fresh water for 10 minutes and then salt as per needed. And then you need crushed ginger, that's 1.5 teaspoon. Then here I have taken katla fish half kg. You can prepare the fish curry with any fish of your choice. Remember to clean the fish pieces with some salt and vinegar or lemon juice to get rid of the foul smell. Then half a cup of grinded coconut paste, and then some curry leaves and coconut oil. Now let's prepare the fish curry. Heat an earthen pot, that's mancheti. Pour 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil, then add in crushed ginger. The coconut oil gives a distinct flavor to the curry. And saute the ginger well. Then add in the chopped shallots. Saute it well. And then add some salt. Adding some salt makes the onion to cook faster. Now add in some curry leaves and saute the onion till they turn golden brown color. Keep your flame in medium. Now add in the tomatoes. Then add some salt to cook the tomatoes quicker. And then cover it with a lid till the tomatoes turn mushy and soft. When they are done, now add in the chili powder, coriander powder and the fenugreek powder and give it a good mix. You need to saute for a while in low flame to get rid of the raw smell of the powders. Then add in the Kudampuli along with the soaked water. Now add 2 cups of water. And then check for salt. Add if needed. Now cover and bring it to a boil. Now pour in the grinded coconut paste You can replace thick coconut milk if you want for richness in taste. Stir it well and let it boil for a minute. And lower the flame. Now add in the fish pieces. The katla fish is enriched with proteins and vitamins, and it's low in calories, and it's a healthy option for the Weight Watchers. Remember not to use the spatula for stirring the curry, or else the fish pieces would break. So just swirl the pot like this to mix the curry. Cover it and let it cook for 10 more minutes. Once the fish pieces are added, remember to lower your flame. You see the oil has started to separate. Now it's time to switch off the flame and add in the curry leaves, and finally add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, which enhances the taste and aroma of the curry, and then cover it with a lid. Remove the pan from the heat and let the fish curry rest for 2 to 3 hours at least before serving, as it enhances the flavor. The more time it is kept in rest, and also you get it more delicious the next day. Do serve this fish curry with hot steamed rice, and also when served along with the steamed tapioca, it's heaven in taste. Do try this curry and give me your comments. Would love to hear from you. Happy cooking!